Welcome back, fellow coders. Jared O'Leary here with BootUp. In this video, I want to show you a neat idea. So if you've been to our website, bootuppd.org, you'll notice that we have a bunch of projects in there, and some of them use conditionals. Now, I want to show you a project called Bake a Cookie or Not. And it is actually by Fluff Keys, and we're going to see how they use conditionals in this particular project. Okay, so it says Bake a Cookie or Not. We press this button to play. Hi there. So you want to be a baker? I do. Well, bake me a cookie then. All right, Chef Mittens, I will. Okay. So in here, what we can do is we can combine the different ingredients. We can be like, let's put in some cake mix, and then some butter, and an egg. And then we're going to put in some chocolate chips. And then we're going to stir it around. And then we'll put it on the tray. Cool. Now we're going to put it in the oven. We're going to wait. I want to make sure it's baked correctly and not burnt or undercooked. Cool. Then we remove our tray, and we place it right here to serve it to Chef Mittens. And let's see what they think. Chocolate chip cookie. Chef Mittens is very satisfied. Perfectly baked and very delicious. Fantastic job. Awesome. So we can play again. Now, what we could also do is just completely mix things up. Like, I'm going to bake the recipes. And we're going to wait. But I'm going to overcook my recipes. So I'm going to keep waiting, and waiting, and waiting. Uh-oh. Got some burnt recipe book. Let's see what Chef Mittens thinks about this. Drum roll. Burnt recipe book. Chef Mittens feels sorry for you. Gee, kid, I don't know if there's any hope for you. Oh, wow, that's kind of rude. Now, if we go into this particular project and we take a look at the code, we can see that there are many different endings in here. 24 different costumes to pick from. So the one that I'm on is costume number 3, burnt recipe book. But let's see, there's another one that's just a normal recipe book, and they get insulted. There are a bunch of different conditions in here for different recipes that you can make. If you want to actually explore this project and see all the different variations, there's a link to it in the description. And if you want to learn how to create or teach a project like this, check out bootuppd.org. And if you got a neat idea that you'd like to share, maybe you can post a comment below and we can turn it into a video where we can highlight your project. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let us know something that you learned or created in the comments below. And make sure to subscribe, like, and check out the links in the description for even more free resources, such as videos, free lesson plans, and our podcast.